Good evening, my dear students. So today I am going to teach you something about passive voice in English. But before I teach you, let me ask you a question. How many of you are familiar with what is an active voice and what is a passive voice? Have you heard about this? Okay, I can see that 2 or 3 of you are already familiar with this one. But this class is for the rest, and also those who already know about it, you can know a little more about it maybe through this class. So the objective of today's class is going to be about to familiarize you with the topic of active and passive voice. So before we start with the topic, I will give you example and two sentences as example, and you are going to tell me about the difference that you can see in the two sentences. So the first one is the cat chases the rat. Yes, so who is chasing the rats now? The cat is chasing. And who is being chased? The rat. And what is the action? Yes, the action is chasing. So now I'll give you another sentence. The rat is being chased by the cat. Yes, the meaning is almost the same. Okay, the cat chases the rat and the rat is being chased by the cat. Yes, in both the sentences, the person who is chasing is the cat and the person who is being chased is the rat. So what is the difference? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Yes, in both the actions. Yes, there is a difference in the sentence order. Yes, very good dear. So as in the first sentence, you can see that the cat chases the rat. So who receives the most importance in the sentence? The cat. Yes, the person who is performing the action. The person who is chasing. The cat is chasing. So the cat receives the most amount of importance here. Yes, the cat. Yes, so the subject has come first, and after that comes chasing, the action. Action verb has come here. Chases the rat. Rat is the object here. But in the case of passive sentence, the rat is being chased by the cat. Yes, so again here the focus is not on the doer of the action. The doer of the action is actually the cat. But the importance is on rat. Rat is being chased by the cat. Yes, so rat is the most important point here. Yes, so then these types of sentences, you call that as the passive sentence. So in passive sentence, the importance is on whom is the action being performed and not on who is performing the action, unlike the active sentence. So the rat is being chased by the cat. Yes, so now we are going to do a few examples now. As guided practice, I will give you model sentences. I will give you 5 examples, one each for active sentence and passive sentence. So I'll also teach you something about how to convert a sentence from active to passive and vice versa. And after that, you all are going to attempt a quiz in Kahoot. Okay? So I guess most of you may have smartphone. So you are going to access the link that I have sent in the group. It is also available in the LMS. So you can also access the link through the LMS, and you can access the quiz that I have posted for you. So you are going to click on that and you are going to do the quiz for today. Okay, but before that, we'll start with the examples. I am going to give you a model now. So, in the case of active sentences, I'll give you 5 sentences. The first one we already discussed. The cat chases the rat. The next one, the cat drinks milk. Yes, so here as well, this is an active sentence. Why? Because the importance is on the doer of the action, on the person who is doing the action, performing the action, the cat. The cat, what is he doing? What is he doing? Drinking. What is he drinking? Milk. The cat drinks milk. So now tell me, how are you going to change that into passive voice? Yes. So what should actually receive importance here when we change it into passive voice? The cat drinks milk. In the sentence, cat is important, but when we change it into passive, what should receive importance? Yes, the milk should receive more importance. Milk, yes. So milk has to come first. Milk. And what is the verb here? Drinks was the verb. So the participle of the verb. Milk is being drunk. Okay, the milk is being drunk by who is drinking the milk now? Cat. The milk is being drunk by the cat. Very good. That is how we convert a sentence into passive from active. Okay? Yes. And now coming to the next example. What can I give you now? The teacher teaches the students. Okay. So who is the performer of the action? Teacher. So what is the action? Teaches. And who is being taught? The students. Yes. So now I am going to change the same sentence into passive voice. So who receives the importance now? Students. Yes. The students. And what is the action? Yes, teach. So the past participle. The students are being taught by who? Yes, the students are being taught by the teacher. Very good. Yes. So coming to the next example, the final example. After this one, you are going to do it by yourself. Okay. Yes. Okay. The next one. Yes. The dog chases the child. Yes. So the dog chases the child. Yes. So who is the performer here? Dog. Yes. So who is being chased here? The child. Yes. So the child has to receive importance in the case of passive sentence. So the child is being chased by the dog. Yes. So now the child is being chased by the dog. Yes. So that is how you convert a sentence from active to passive. Okay. So now I am going to give you another example and you are going to do this. Before that, can I divide you into groups? So I'll divide you into groups of 5 students each. Okay. So I am going to give different sentences to each group. So you are going to change the sentences from active to passive voice all by yourself. You can also discuss it among your friends and do it. Okay. Yes. So group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 and group 5. Okay. Yes. Okay. So the sentence for group 1 is John teaches Linta. Okay, John teaches Linta. Okay, that is your example. And example for the next group, elephant grazes in the backyard. Okay, the elephant grazes in the backyard. And the example for group 3, the farmer farms his land. Okay, the farmer farms his land. Okay. The example for the next group. Yes. The child is crossing the road. Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, so now each group is going to change the sentence from active to passive. Okay, once you finish this, you are going to upload your answers through the link that I have sent to the group. Okay. So you are also going to attempt today's quiz through Q.